If you've ever felt like your ideas are all over the place, scattered notes, random plans, and half-finished goals, then today's video might actually change the way you think because we're reviewing one of the most powerful mind mapping tools, Xmind. And trust me, this isn't just another productivity app. This one can genuinely reorganize your brain. So, what exactly is Xmind? Xmind is a visual mind mapping tool designed to turn messy ideas into clean, structured, and actionable plans. Whether you're planning personal goals, building a business strategy, organizing your weekly schedule, or even writing an essay, Xmind transforms that mental chaos into a clear, interactive map. The beauty of Xmind is in how simple it feels. Everything works through drag and drop. You just click, add a node, and build your ideas like branches of a tree. Think of it like creating a giant interactive to-do list, one that actually makes sense visually. And this is especially helpful if you're someone who thinks better when you can see your thoughts instead of just typing them in a list. Let me give you an example. Imagine your main goal is get fit. In Xmind, you place that in the center. Then you branch out. Exercise 3 times per week, eat healthier, track calories, improve sleep. Suddenly, your big goal turns into smaller tasks you can manage. And from there, you can break it down even further into routines, schedules, or habits. It's simple, but extremely effective. Xmind really shines when it comes to productivity workflows. You can map out time management strategies, prioritize tasks visually, and even reduce distractions by building out your focus zones. The structure makes your brain go, oh, now this makes sense. Now let's talk features, because Xmind isn't just pretty, it's powerful. Templates, dozens of ready-made canvases for projects, weekly planning, goal setting, and more. Perfect if you don't want to start from scratch. Design flexibility, colors, fonts, backgrounds, different layout styles. You can make your map look clean, minimal, or fully creative. Multiple sheets. Work on large or multi-phase projects within one file. Super helpful for business plans or multi-step goals. Presentation mode. Turn your mind map into a slide-like deck instantly. Great for work or school presentations. AI assistant, idea suggestions, content generation, and even sensitive data masking for privacy, sharing, and rewards. You can post your maps on social media for accountability or inspiration, and sometimes get community rewards for it. So, is Xmind the best mind mapping tool? If you want something that's simple, visual, customizable, and actually helps you think better, not just work harder, then yes, Xmind absolutely deserves that top spot. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tool I should break down next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.